Hello everyone, I'm James and you're watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel, and it has the screws hidden under this rubber base. So for that we have to remove this rubber base. You can see like this. There is a notch here, and under this notch there is a screw. See that you will not keep this rubber base upside down on the table. Keep it bottom side up so that the dust will not get fixed to the adhesive. Remove these screws here. I'm showing it to you. This one has already broken. The hinges underneath is broken. It doesn't come out. Now this hinges is broken here, so let me hold it tightly and then open it. Hope there is no screw here. After removing this bottom cover, this tight. As you see, the hard disk is falling down. Just keep the bottom cover aside. Just remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This video is only demonstrating how I am replacing the battery. Actually, this laptop doesn't have any problem with the battery, but I am just showing you demo how you can replace the battery of your HP laptop, just as I did now. Here you can see, just pull it from here first and pull it outside this way. This one, it should fix under this. See, I'll pin it. Take the new battery which you have purchased, insert it in this way, then press it here. This is the battery connector. Press it here. Fasten these screws, 4 screws. And 4. After fixing the battery, just we need to fix the back cover, bottom cover. Just press all the surrounding and fasten the screws.